Alright, here is a Casablanca Lady Delta in Jack Patterson's house. He got this at a Habitat, and this replaced a Harbor Breeze Contempo, which is not really anything good or special. It's really a bad fan. I think this one is made in 1981, if I had to guess. I don't know exactly. Somewhere around that, somewhere in the 80s. Here's the price tag. It was $20, and it is complete. It's in the white and polished brass finish, and I kind of do want one in just an all-white finish. Here's the lights. And before I do start, this fan does have a K55 stack motor in it. And let's go ahead and start it off on low first. Very beautiful fans. Very beautiful runners, too. Alright, here's medium. This was actually faster than the high speed on the Harbor Breeze Contempo, so it's pretty quick. And here's high. And this thing is crazy fast. We'll go ahead and turn it off now, and it has a startup sound. Let you get it. And that is the Casablanca Lady Delta in Jack Patterson's house. Thank you for watching.